Hello friends, today we are going to do unboxing and functional review of Pigeon Gusto 550 watt mixer grinder. I have ordered this product from Amazon for rupees 1249 and I have received this product within 3 days. So we'll unbox this and see how it is. You can see the packaging is really nice, and inside you have 3 jars and the motor. There are 3 covers for the jars. There is also a user manual in which they have do's and don'ts and warranty information and which jar to use for which kind of purpose. We'll read this later. They also have the capacity of the jars. If you see the machine, the build quality is really nice. The plastic and the feel with the knob, the tactile feel, it's very nice. It has 3 speeds. The cover is made up of soft plastic which is flexible. This is the smallest jar which you generally use for grinding spices. If you see the size of the mixer as compared to other mixer, you will feel that this is slightly smaller than all of them. The jar is also very small as compared to the other standard mixers. Now we'll see how it works. It has got a standard 2-pin AC connector with no ground. So we will connect this to the power supply. On this side you can see there is a hole. This hole is useful especially when your jar is leaking and the water is falling inside. It can come out easily from this hole. So I'll fit the jar. And you will see that the fitting is very nice. It doesn't shake even a little bit when it is fitted, and when you remove it comes out easily. Now we will see it on different speeds. So you can see it works very well, and the fitting and the jar, different jar sizes, they are very nice. So as per me, it's a good choice for that price range of rupees 1249, whereas you will not get any other branded mixers in this price range. So for any normal household use, I would prefer that you can buy this for a very good price. Thank you for watching.